What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Curtis, and today we have a nice product review sponsored by SetPower. They have this new fridge that's coming out, and it's really freaking sweet. Me and Parker have both used it, and we're really enjoying it. It's more on the budget end fridge, which is really nice for everybody getting into the overland space, because it is a nice working unit. So let's get into the product review. All right, so I have it up on my Iceco fridge slide right now, which is pretty nice because the other fridge I have is the Iceco VL35, and this is a 21 liter or 21 quart fridge or liter. But they actually have a 27 also. I just got the smaller unit because I wanted to try some things out, but it's a nice sleek plastic. Like I said, it is a budget fridge, which is nice for getting people into the community and everything. But yeah, this is the fridge, 21 liters or quarts. I forgot which one it is. And it also has an app. So if you want to have the app on your phone, you can control it and always keep it monitoring on your phone. So I'll throw some clips over top of that to kind of show you guys what the app looks like. I think it's pretty cool. I like the whole app thing, especially if you don't know if it's like unplugged in the back of your truck. You can kind of check on your phone and see if it's plugged in or not. That's pretty cool. This fridge opens one way, so it has a nice latch right here. And thankfully, it's super light, so if you drop it on your finger, it doesn't hurt that bad. Because I've had fridges where the lid came down and freaking smacked my finger, and it hurts like hell. So, yeah, it has a nice, little latch on there. All right, so when you open it up, this is the 21 quarts or liters right here. You know, it's a nice little flat surface, so when you want to clean and everything, it's super easy to clean out. I really like that. And then it also has this smaller cubby hole right here, so you can put other things up in the cubby also. It's just a nice, easy area to clean out. And it also comes with like an ice pack divider, so it can divide both sides. So that's pretty cool, I would have to say. And then this is the display that comes on the fridge. You can turn it up and down on this screen right here. And then you can also do it in your app. Like I said, it has the off button. It has eco mode and high mode, so you can turn it both ways. And it can also be a refrigerator, so it can go down to minus temperatures if you really want to make it a freezer, which is pretty cool. And yeah, also this fridge, it's really quiet. It's honestly really quiet. You barely can hear it running, even when it's on high mode and low mode. You can't hear anything really. Super quiet fridge, especially if you're like camping in the back here and you got your fridge right next to you. You don't want to be hearing the compressor going all night. So super nice to have something quiet in the back of the truck. Keep your beers cold. All right, so right now you can buy this on their website for $159 if they still have the sale going on right now, which is really nice. Normal price is $199. That's still a really, really good price for a nice fridge. It is a 12-volt fridge, so right now I have it currently hooked up to my Iceco PB1000 power bank, and the fridge will run off this battery if the battery's at 100, probably for like 4 days, because it is a little bit smaller. It's not a lot of area to cool, especially if you throw food in there. It stays a lot colder for a lot longer, and the compressor cuts off once it hits its temperature it needs to be, so it does save a lot of power also. And that's a key factor if you're trying to buy a refrigerator. You want to have the compressor that cuts off once it hits its temperature, or else you'll just be using all your power for a refrigerator. So it's really nice to have that feature on this refrigerator. Even though this fridge is black, it really, in the sun, it doesn't really affect it at all. I like the color. The color's nice. I like it nice and matching everything I got here. So that's really cool also. But yeah, me and Parker have been loving this unit. Let's go ask him to see what he has to say about the refrigerator. All right, guys, this is Parker from Just Better out in Tempe. So what do you got to say about the refrigerator?
Yeah, the refrigerator stays super cold for a really long time. It's not super heavy on like battery usage. I had it on for probably like 7 or 8 hours on just my little power bank, and it only dropped it maybe like 10-11%. Kept it straight up at like 28 degrees, no problem. Nothing ever like froze over. The temp stays super consistent. And I haven't had any problems. The app works fantastic. It's super clean, super simple.
I like the app. The app's very nice.
Yeah, it's an easy all-around solution, especially for someone that's looking for something a little more budget friendly.
Yeah, so if you guys are in the market for a fridge, definitely check out SetPower USA. They're having a sale going on right now, 20% off. and they're a pretty budget-friendly refrigerator for you guys who are just getting into it, because coolers kind of suck. Your fingers freeze, especially during the wintertime. And this fridge in the wintertime, if you're using it then, it probably really won't use any power. It'll just act like a cooler also, so that's pretty nice too. All right, guys, another cool feature that this fridge offers is it has these 4 tie downs points on the fridge, so the front and the back. I run my screen on this side because normally when I'm, at camp and I'm need to get a beer, I just open the smart cap, flip this up, grab a beer out of the refrigerator right there. But it has 4 tie down points, so it stays super secure on your off-road trips. And I've gotten this fridge really, really dusty out in Arizona, and just blow it off or wipe it down and she's dialed. I'm surprised that for such a low cost, how good this fridge has been kicking, and there's no signs of it, failing on us. And they have a 3-year warranty, which is pretty cool. The compressor goes out or anything, just hit up their team at SetPower, and they'll probably send you out a brand new unit. And I think that's really cool to have brands back in warranties like that. So I do appreciate that. All right, guys, that's about it for this week's video. If you're in the market for a fridge, if you're just getting into overlanding and you're buying your gear and everything and you're tired of the cooler, check out SetPower. They have those really cool refrigerators. This is the RF20, and they have the RF25, I believe it is. So one's 20 quarts and the other one is 25 quarts. Liters, I forgot. Quarts. So yeah, take their sale while they have it, $150 for that unit. And I've used it on like 4-day trips and it's been holding strong. But yeah, me and Parker are gonna go out and hit this trail. The sun's going down and we're gonna enjoy Parker's little time off. He's a hard-working, self-employed man out here. So check out his shop out there in Tempe, Just Better. And we'll talk to you guys in the next video. Peace out, bye. All right, hit it, brother. Gee willikers.